It's nice to have you here, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're all feeling great today. Yes, I would really ask that you go ahead and like this video immediately you watch your um immediately you join the live. So thank you so much for joining. Now it doesn't matter if you're currently watching us live or you're watching the replay. Please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So let's start with the setup of today's setup. This looks like a red green pattern. Red green, red green, red green. I'm expecting a red candle. If it comes up here, I'm thinking we should go with the sellers here, but the red candle is already forming. I was hoping to come up here a little bit and we'll take the trade over here. Well, no problem. Let's just go ahead with the setup. Thank you so much for joining, guys. All right, let's go. So here we go. We'll click on this one. Okay. Okay, this is premium cup. But let me see. Okay. Now let's go with the regular one. Since we are not trading for the cup actually as a tournament, so we don't need to worry. Okay, the first thing we're going to do right now is to click on this, and the candle chart type we're going to use is candlesticks, and we will enable the timer here. We'll disable the auto scroll, then we'll come to time frame. We'll choose M1 because that's what we're going for actually. This is a beautiful supply. We are not yet ready to trade. This is a beautiful supply breaking this level. So I'm expecting there to be a rejection here. I'm not going to take the trade, but when I see a trade like this, I like to investigate to see what will happen. We're not ready to take a trade yet, but hey Lily, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. This is a beautiful supply area. So let's see what happens in M1. Okay, you can see now. Price rejected from that supply area. It's beautiful. We have that rejection. Very beautiful. That's very nice. Beautiful entry. So we're not going to take that trade, you know. There's something else to here. Hey, the Joker, it's nice to have you. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate if you can just go ahead and like the video. Immediately you join, go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for joining. Liking the video would enable YouTube to recommend the video to the rest of our friends. So that's why I'm asking you to like the video. Thank you very much. Okay, so haven't set the chart type. You know, the chart type is candlesticks. Time frame is M1. So each candle is 1 minute. Hey, Mohammed, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Then the next thing we need to set is the trade time actually. So we're using M1 in the trade time. But you know, I always say that we're using the flag mode. So this is a regular mode and this is a flag mode. So we'll be using this flag mode. We'll click M1. We'll make sure that this second hand is on 0. It's very important. So now we can take our trades now. We'll be going in with 12.5% of the balance. You understand? And I actually feel like going with the buyers here. You know, let's go with the buyers. I'm expecting a push to the upside from here. And somebody will be wondering like why. I will let this area is a demand area and price has rejected once. I'm expecting to reject the second time. Tick. Maxo Area 1, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. Yes, guys, please let's go ahead and like the video. Yes, as soon as we join, let's just like the video. Yes. Thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Okay, this is going to be a losing trade. No problem. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. I really appreciate if you like the video. Thank you very much. Okay, we have this push to the downside. No problem. I was actually expecting the buyers to come in here. I was expecting this to happen actually. Because this is a buyer's entry. I was expecting this area to be a buyer's entry too, especially under this round number, but that did not happen. No problem. Okay, maybe the buyers will come in now. So we have the buyers here. So we expect the buyers to push the price to the upside. That's good. This is a demand area. All right, cool. That's good. Now we have a level here. So price breaking this level is going to cause this week on week to have a supply area inside. And look at this. We have an internal DBS here. There's a DBS here. So price can react from this DBS. So let's wait. Oh, okay. It's already reacting. Let me go to lower time frame. Okay, I found the entry inside here, inside this DBS. So I'm going to take a trade immediately. Price comes inside. Okay, let me mark the supply entry. This is supply. We have a supply here. Yeah, no problem. If there's a need to buy, definitely I'm going to buy. But this is a DBS. So if we are going to buy, we must have, okay, oh, we could have gone with the sellers here, because this is a morning star pattern and we can have a red candle as a retracement. But you see, our entry should be inside here. Yes, here. This should be where our entry should be. I'm expecting a push to the downside from here, because I'm expecting the sellers to give us a pullback. Okay. Oh, that pullback was not strong enough. I was expecting to be stronger than that, but no problem. Okay, one of the trade was break even. The other one was a win. I guess I entered too early, but though I was expecting a red candle actually, though the pullback worked. The pullback actually worked there. So guys, thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Please go ahead and like the video, guys. Please help me like the video. You understand? I really appreciate if you're gonna like the video. Thank you so much. Yes, Azik, thank you so much for joining. The Joker. Yes, I'm from Nigeria. You were asking which country. It's nice to have you here, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, we can have a trend line here. We just mark everything we need to mark actually. Kutemba, thank you so much for joining. Oh wow, thank you very much. Hey Claysley, it's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, thank you very much. Brother Water Gang. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you. Oh, sorry, Joker. I missed the last that last message you sent. I missed it. Okay. This is a price channel to the downside. we may have a very good. Oh wow, the people of Nigeria, not Nigeria. I mean Nigeria. When I say Nigeria, I mean Nigeria. Actually, you understand? Yeah. Thank you so much. Kinda make Korea. Thank you so much for joining. Claysley, it's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today, and I hope the weather is getting better right now in your side. So we have sellers entry, sellers entry. If price comes to this area, we will have a good sellers entry too. You understand? But you see this area is another DBS. So if price cross that place, we can have a very good entry with the sellers. Tell me step by step how to do, please. All right, no problem. I will. Kindo, thank you, Kindi. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, Mojid, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. No worries. I'm going to give you all the step-by-step guide. All I need you to do is just hang in there for the next 10 minutes. You understand? I'm going to give you all the details you need, okay? So don't worry about it. You get all the details. Yes, guys, please let's go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much, Mohammed. I really appreciate. Wow, still I see slow dissipate every day. Okay, fine. It's good at least. It's dissipating. That's a good one. Because the fact that it's dissipating is a good thing. Okay, we have another entry down here, but the market has the buyers have started. There's another demand area down here, and it's very nice demand area, but the buyers have entered. I should have seen it earlier. But sometimes when you are looking at the comments, it's not easy, like concentrating on everything at the same time. That's the reason why I'm not trading my live account yet. You understand? I need to get used to all this chaos. But definitely we can still go ahead with the what they call it, with the trades. This is like red green pattern here. Green red, green red. We have another green. So let's see how the market goes. Well, you know what? Let's keep an eye on this market because it's a very, very promising market actually. You understand? And let's check this. Okay, cool. Okay. I actually feel a little tired today. I need a lot of rest actually. So it's not really easy like showing up constantly like this. After a while, your body will feel it. So this is a very nice basic market structure pattern. Let's mark it quickly. I'll clear this. Let's mark the basic market structure pattern. Yes. Yes, so it's always a blessing. It's always a blessing. You know what? Let's connect from here to. I'm looking at the best one to connect. Okay, this is a good one. It's a very nice price channel. We have a fake out here. You see, anytime you see a fake out, it's a very good place for opportunity. There's always demand and supply inside fake outs. I've observed it for many months now. Now, anytime you have a fake out, there's always a. Oh, can you imagine? Price just graced the fake out. I was thinking price will enter, but price already touched that fake out, so they are going to pull back. They're going to pull back, and I don't know if there's any other. Okay, there's another one inside. That's good. We can take that one if price comes into it. There's another entry inside here. Let's go back to M1. Anytime you see a fake out like this, there's always opportunity inside. Oh, it's pulling back. Come on now. Okay, we may have a third breakout down here. You understand? So we can take this trade. If price comes down here, it will be a very beautiful third breakout. We have sellers entry. Let's take this one first. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. We have this overlapping level and we have a gap down inside. So we can take our trades here, this overlapping level. You see what I'm saying? We have an overlapping level here and we have a gap down. Hey, potential crew, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So if price breaks this level down here now, we will have a third breakout. Well, I want us to win this first. Please don't jump to the downside. Just give us a clean win. That's good. So we have, now let me explain this trade quickly. We have this buyers entry, buyers entry, buyers entry on this same trend line. So if price comes back to this line, it's going to be a buyers entry. And on top of that, we have we have an overlapping level here that shows us the buyers are on this level. Also, we have an outside bar. Outside bar can retrace. So it's a very good trade actually. Yes, guys, we are almost 36 in the room. Really? Guys, now come on. We are 46 in this room and none of you have liked the video since. Come on now, guys. What are you doing? We're a community. You know that already. Anytime you want to, like, we like the live at once. Everybody. Just double tap your screen. Come on now. Come on. You understand? With all this value, come on now. Come on. Yeah, see, one thing you guys, some of you don't understand. I know some of you understand actually, but some of you don't. See, sometimes I'm very extremely tired, but I show up because I know you'll be here. Sometimes it's not comfortable, it's not convenient, but I try my best to show up. The least you can do is to a double tap, just double tap like that. That's all. Come on now, come on, come on, now. Come on. Just double tap your screen, like the video. You understand? Unless you are telling me you don't like the video, fine. But some of you have been here since the beginning and you still refuse to like. You understand? And I'm sure YouTube is not charging you for that. Like, it's free of charge. So, what is your excuse for not liking the video? Tell me. Put it in the comment section. Tell me your excuse. I want to hear. Yes. Yes, I want to go here. Go ahead. Put it in the comment section. Tell me. Yes, I'm looking at you. You are looking. Where are you looking back? Yeah, you are the one I'm talking to. Eh. Eh. You like 5 times. Thank you, Jare. Thank you very much. Oh my god. Now we can have a third breakout here. Look at this. Let's go to lower time frame quickly. I'll show you something in the lower time frame. You understand? I'm looking for a demand area down here. We have one. Okay, we found one. You see, this particular demand. Immediately price touches it. You don't need to wait again. You can see the buyers are beginning to come in. In the next candle, they're going to be the one to push the price up. That's why we're going to go with the buyers. You get the gist. Look at this. They're already pulling up from here. So the only thing come on. I didn't expect the buyers to enter too soon. I was waiting for them for the next candle, but I'm still going to go with the buyers now. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm going with the buyers. Now you see, the third breakout is invalid right now. It's already invalid. So we need to know that. You understand? If price comes back to this level, I'm taking the trade. I'm expecting the buyers to still respond one more time. You understand? Now the thing there is the total breakout is invalid already. You understand? Potential crew, thank you so much for joining. How long have you been trading? Over 3 years now. You understand? Now, anytime you have this kind of total breakout and price enters the entry and pulls back, don't don't take it as a thought breakout again. Yes, don't take the trade as a thought breakout again. The reason I'm saying that is because it's already invalid. Once that thought does not break that level, don't take the trade again. Oh, this is going to be a losing trade. I wasn't expecting that. I'm still going to go with the buyers again because I know the buyers are here, and I don't know why they are not. They didn't respond in this red candle. They were meant to actually respond in that red candle, but sometimes the buyers may be slow to react. Sometimes, okay, but I know that we have buyers here, and the buyers should respond. Actually, that's why I'm going again for the next one. So let's see how it happens this time around. And I hope these sellers don't, because I actually expect see, we have some strong buyers here. And if you really want to know if the buyers are strong, look at the momentum that came out of this demand. You understand? It's a very strong momentum. So I'm looking at it and I know that the buyers are meant to respond. You get the gist. So there are some things experience will teach you. You understand? Or better still, the easiest way to learn it is to learn from a mentor. You understand? It helps you because the mentor has the experience you don't have and they can just download it for you immediately like that. So you can gain like years of experience without actually having the experience yourself. By just following what your mentor says, it makes sense. You get the gist. So okay, good. That's very nice. Now we have a double bottom. The buyers are going to come in violently. I'm expecting them to push to the upside now. Hey Sammy, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, guys, thank you for liking the video. Please, you can still do better. For those who have not liked the video, you understand. I'm coming for you personally because I'm yes you. I'm coming for you. Don't laugh. You understand? I don't know why you're laughing because that laugh now I don't understand it. Yes, you'll be wondering how did you know I'm laughing? I know you're laughing, so just like the video. Don't laugh. I'm not asking for a laugh right now. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this market. Let's check that other one quickly. Let's see how the market is going. I didn't have a gap down. I will go with the buyers, but we have a gap up. This gap up is in favor of the sellers, so we're not going to take this trade. Though we have a level down here. If price comes here, there might be an opportunity for us. Let's check. Yes. This is the entry. This is the decision point for this break. All right here. So if price comes into this entry now, this is going to be our trade. This is going to be where we'll take our trade. You understand? Especially above the, you see this round number here, this 1.2400. That's a good place to enter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split this into two. So if price comes here, I'll take one. If it goes above the round number, I'll take one more. So that's the way I'm going to do it. I'll split the risk into two. Hey, Adeniro, thank you so much for joining. Oh, you're new. Oh, it's nice to have you here. Now I have something for all the new guys in the house. In about let me say 4 minutes. In about 4 minutes, I'm going to announce to all the new guys in the house. So get ready. So just get ready. I wish this would be a Marabuzu candle, but it pulled back. Okay. You know what? If it goes above this round number, I'm taking this trade. Please now give us the entry above the round number. Yes, now come on, give us the entry. Let's go. You know what? Let's take the trade. I'm expecting a red candle, but I wanted a very good entry up here. But eventually the entry is bad. But no problem. Yeah, we're going we're taking the trade to the downside. I know some of you can hear the tiredness in my voice. I've not really had enough sleep like that. So this is a beautiful trade. Nice. This is a beautiful trade. Okay. Okay, good. This is a beautiful trade also. But I'm going to wait for price to break this level then. But you know what? I shouldn't go with the buyers in that area. I shouldn't go with the buyers there. Let's check that other market within checking. We have this Marabozu candle, but we have a gap up after 8. We are not taking the trade. Let's check another market we've not marked at all. Let's see what we can make of it. We have a level here. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. Yes, just double tap your screen if you are using your phone. Just like the video. I really appreciate if you can do that. This is a level, and you see inside this area, there's a decision point down here. We're going to take the decision point trade. I have some of my students. This is actually their next lesson. Okay, I found it. We found the entry S5. Can you imagine? All the way down to S5. That's where we found the entry. Wisdom, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Coming down. Yes, yes. Look at this. This is beautiful. So we'll go back to M1. We'll mark this entry. And look at this. We have an overlapping level there too. So we're going to mark everything. We will mark that overlapping level also because it's a demand area. So if price comes back into this area, we will have a very good trade. Let's save it. Now we'll keep it as a now we can have the sellers come in here, but you know what? Yes, we can have the sellers coming after this, but we have a what they call it. I'm going to take this trade as an order block. This is another block trade. So what we need to do is to go to lower time frame. I don't have time to mark it yet, but we're going to mark it now. So we have a fair value gap, and price is currently inside that fair value gap right now. But I don't have time to mark fair value gaps. You know, I told you I don't mark fair value gaps. I mark the order block instead because that's where I want to take my trade. So we'll mark the order block. We'll mark the entry inside the order block. We will take our trade inside the entry. Immediately price comes inside here, we'll go with the sellers immediately. Like we're not even going to wait at all. Immediately we're going. There's another one down here too. We can take this trade. It's right on that line, so I'm not going to mark it. I'll just eyeball it. Immediately price touches that line, we're going with the buyers. But this is a whole entry right here. So immediately price touch this line, we're going with the buyers. I wish we have a gap down. That would be another confirmation for us. So we have two good entries now. One at the top, one at the bottom. The one at the bottom now, we're taking it on this line. We will just wait for it. I'm reducing my trade amount actually. Okay. The buyers finally came in though. Let me check the rest of the market before we proceed. Okay, we're waiting for this trade. Other block and retrace. It's possible. Oh my god, see this payout amount now. Come on. How did it drop this drastically? They must have really lost a lot of money on this pair. That's why they dropped it like this. Okay, don't worry. You know what? Let's just move on. I'm not going to take a trade on a 62% payout. Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. Don't worry. Let's check another market. We've not. This is a very big downtrend. The only way we can take a trade here is to go with the sellers. If you don't see any opportunity with the sellers in this kind of market, don't take your trade. It's as simple as that, guys. But I'm not going to even bother about this market. Let's check. I'm still looking for the type of market that I really like. It's all those markets with long wicks. I like those ones a lot. We can have the buyers come in here. Now, I don't have time to mark everything, so I'll just go with the buyers first. Then I'll let you know why I'm doing it. Look at this. We have a demand area down here. This would have been the best entry, but I did not take it like that. I just entered immediately, and I'll tell you why. We have an evening star pattern here, so I have a feeling that because we are breaking this level, the buyers may not actually come down here. They may just go up immediately, and that's what's happening. Now we also have a QM here. Some of you already know what QM is. Now, if you don't know what QM is, I have a playlist. You understand? In the playlist section of this channel, it's called Live Trade Sessions. I've explained QM in details inside. You need to go and watch it. It's very important that you do. Let's check. Okay, we have the engulf in M3. Though I don't need to check M5, but M5 confirms it too. So we'll go to lower time frame now to go and look for entry. I found the entry here. I actually feel like taking this trade for real right now. This particular one, but I didn't load my account before this live, so it's very painful because this is a very short shot. This trade is a short shot, but no problem. Yes, it's a short shot. Somebody will be wondering, like, how do you know it's a short shot? You see, anytime you have a QM that has uptrend, or like if the trade, like if the winning trade is meant to go with the buyers, and you have uptrend like this, it's a short shot. Because even if price comes down and breaks this buyer's entry and touches this what they call it, this entry, you understand, the buyers are going to respond violently and you're going to have a winning trade. Also, you see this QM entry is a demand, so you have a lot of reasons to go with the buyers. You understand? That's why I say it's a short shot. Normally I'll take this trade for real right now, but I don't have any money on my real account. I didn't load it, so no problem. Excuse me. You know, I told you I'm a little tired, but no problem. We'll be fine. Oh, this is gonna be a total breakout. Can you imagine, guys? First touch high, second touch high, high. The price breaks this level. We're going with the buyers, guys. Oh, this is sweet. Come on now, it should break. Oh, come on. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. I really appreciate that. If it didn't break, I would have felt bad. Because this is a good trade. Let me increase the stake. I'm expecting the buyers to come in. So it will be very disappointing if the buyers don't come in with all that stake on it. So let's just let's have it come in. Yes, it's a retracement. Wisdom, it's nice to have you here. Thanks so much. Yes, it's going to be a retracement. And, we have this outside bar. We have evening star pattern. We have third breakouts. We have demand area. There's a whole lot of reasons to go the. So we have a lot of good reasons to go with the buyers in this trade. This is beautiful, my man. This is so beautiful. I need to screenshot this and send it to guys in the Telegram channel. Maybe I will annotate it. Oh, you know what? Let me retake it without the comments. That trade is so beautiful. I'm waiting for the comments to clear before I take this trade. And before I take the screenshots. Oh, come on. Anyways, I'll go again. I'll wait for it to clear. Okay, cool. This is beautiful, man. This is so beautiful. Okay, cool. That was a very beautiful trade. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Did you see that? Yeah, let that play out. It's very, very beautiful. Look at this. We have first touch high, second touch high, high. Price coming down with exhaustion candle. You understand? So we have third breakout, exhaustion candle. We have outside bar. We have demand zone. This is so. It's just so beautiful, man. You understand? It's just so beautiful. This is that demand. Or is it this one? Let me see. Not this one. This is the one I'm talking about. Let me go and change it. It's so beautiful, man. Sometimes you just have to step back and appreciate, you understand, the work of art. The market seems like a work of art sometimes. One just needs to sit down and appreciate it. Just step back. You understand? How can you have all these reasons in one trade? You understand? You have a okay, fine. You know what? For anyone who does not understand, let me spell out all the details of this trade so that you can get it carefully. You see, initially we have this area. You see all this area. This is a demand area. You understand? Because I don't want to assume that we only have the experts in the house. I know there are a lot of new guys in the house. So let me explain. You see this area is a demand area. Now, demand area is where you have buyers. So anytime price comes into that area, you know that the buyers are going to enter the market. That's one. Yeah, Zik, it's nice to have you here. Thanks so much. That's one. Number two, you see this pattern. This pattern is called this pattern is called an evening star. Anytime you have this evening star pattern like this, you should be expecting the buyers to come in after. So that's another reason. You understand? Now, you see this candle itself. You understand? It's a reversal candle. It's an exhaustion candle. They call it exhaustion candle. You understand? Now, that's not all though. You see, this green and red pattern is an outside bar. Outside bar can give you a green candle also. You know, so it's a beautiful trade, guys. It's a beautiful trade. It's a very beautiful trade. It's so beautiful, man. This is beautiful. Now we have a QM down here, trade, especially under this round number, this 0.79600. We can take the very good trade right here. You understand? Now let's address all the beginners in the house. I know most of you have been waiting for some time. Now, if you're a beginner here and you you are, this is where you get all the authentic, all the legitimate, all these brokers, they paid some content creators to misinform you. You understand? I just need to, you understand, so that you'll be aware that some of the information you have out there, they are misinformations. Now, any information that tells you cannot do it on your own, you need an AI, you need a bot. They are liars. You understand? You can do it on your own. You don't need anybody to tell you. You don't need anybody to tell you cannot do it. That's one. Now, if you are yet to have an account, if you are yet to have an account, what you need to do is to click the what they call it, the broker link in the description. You understand? In the description of this video, I have the broker link. Click on it. This platform we are using currently, if you click on it to take you to the platform, register with your email, and do your verification. You understand? Make sure you are done with your verification. Then come back to this channel. Once you are in this channel right now, the next thing you have to do is to, in the playlist section of this channel, you will see a playlist called binary options for beginners. That's the playlist you want to watch. That's where you have all the foundational knowledge you need. Binary option for beginners is the playlist you need right now. So click on it, click on that playlist. You understand? And watch all the 16 videos there. Yes, watch everything. It will give you all the details you need, like the beginners friendly information. You understand? So if you're a beginner in the house, send me a hi in the comment section. Let me give a shout out quickly before we move to the next thing. Now, let me quickly address all the seasoned traders in the house. Now, if you're a seasoned trader and you want to brush up on your strategies, you want to learn more concepts, all you need to do right now, is to go into the playlist session called Live Trade Sessions. That's the one. That's the one that is for all the seasoned traders. So immediately you're done. Thank you so much for joining. Chukwe Buka, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. So immediately you are done with the banner option for beginners, the beginner playlist. Go ahead and watch live trade sessions. It's very important. I have over 100 videos there. If you go ahead and watch those videos, it's going to help you a lot. Why? Because you see, one of us here watched just 40 of the videos and he was able to take his balance from 20 to 2000 just by watching 40 out of it. You understand? So trust me, you guys can do that. You can do the same too. And you can even do better. But you need the information, it's very important. Now, the next set of people I want to talk to, the next set of people I want to address, we have another thought touch down here. We're going to take the trade. Thought breaker seems to work in this market. So if we have a break to the downside and it comes down, it breaks this level, we are going with buyers. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on now. Okay, we have a gap down. That's good. We're going with buyers. You understand? The same, you see, market tries to repeat itself sometimes. The same pattern. Look at this. You have this green, red, and that red was an outside bar. The same thing, green, red also, outside bar. You understand? The market sometimes does repeat itself. And some people don't see all this pattern recognition. I see it clearly and I don't know why, but I know it's with time, with experience, you tend to see all these things. This is another beautiful trade right here. Beautiful. You understand? So let's wait and see. So now, if you are here and you would like me to teach you personally, like one on one, you understand? You want me to teach you all the basics down to the pro level. You understand? Strategies and concepts and all that. You understand? All you need to do is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. It's as simple as that. You understand? Oh, we have another gap down. I'm still going with the buyers because this is buyers area. Now, if this price comes down into this demand area, I'm going crazy with the buyers again. You understand? So down here right now, so all you need to do is to join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Now, the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is the Telegram channel link. Is in the description. Just click the Telegram channel link and send me a message. I want to join Barter-Pro mentorship on Telegram. You understand? And I'll give you all the details that you need. I'm going to tell you how much it's going to cost, what the schedule will be like, what the whole 9 yards. You understand? I'm going to give you all the details. You understand? So thank you so much for that. You understand? Click the Telegram channel link. You join the Barter-Pro mentorship. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, I think the sellers are becoming very aggressive in the market. How long have you been trading? More than 3 years, actually. Okay, fine. I think this is going to become a liquidity sweep right now. So I may decide not to take any trade here or wait for price to come down into this entry. So I'm going to disregard this round number 0.7600. If price comes in, I won't take the trade. I only take it inside this lower time frame entry here because it's becoming a liquidity sweep right now. And they may keep sweeping the market until they get down here, until they come down here or down here. You understand? So sometimes when market begins to like misbehave like this, you already know not to like add more entries. Okay, the buyers finally came in. I expected the buyers to come in way earlier than this, but no problem. We'll just mark this. I'll keep an eye on the market, then we'll check this one. We can have another third breakout here. Look at this. We have first touch high, second touch high. If price comes back down here now, we can take a very good trade. So you can see now, there's a, without the third touch happening, you can see it ahead. You understand? And if you really want to, like, you need more confirmation, all you need to do is go to lower time frame and look for demand down here. If you see a demand down here, then that's one of your confirmation. Look at this. This is demand, and we have another demand down here. So that tells you that if we have a third breakout, it's most likely going to work. I'll mark the other one too. I'm really very sorry for the way my voice is sounding today. I'm really, really very tired. So, but after this time around, I'm going to like rest. So these are the two entries we have there. Let's mark it as a lower time frame entry. Hey, it's nice to have you here, Kaki Can 4841. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll keep this one as a... Okay, we have it already. All right. Okay, the buyers finally came in. But I'm wondering why they didn't come in when I actually expected them to come in. But this is a beautiful trade, man. And we have gap down. Oh, oh wow, Moji, you've gotten to 2,500. That's good. That's good. You're getting close to your target. That's very nice. Yes, you're getting close to your target. That's good. Yeah, that's way to go, man. You understand? That's way to go. We have the sellers here. Yes, that's very nice. I really like that. Guys, please, let's go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. I'm looking at the lower time frame to find this specific entry. We're going to take the trade. Though, and I already see the entry though, because we have a round number there, and that round number has about 4 zeros. So I know that's where our entry is. We don't even need to bother too much. Joel, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Supriya, thank you so much. Random, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Oh, come on now. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can have the fifth candle theory here. But I need a gap up. Can you give us a gap up? Okay, I'm going with the buyers. Oh, with the sellers, I mean. I said buyers, sorry. But we didn't have the gap up, so we may actually lose this trade. I was expecting a fifth candle theory inside this supply, because this is supply. I'm expecting the fifth candle theory to play out. So, but we have a gap down, and that gap down can be very dangerous. Well, no problem. Let's just see how it goes. Yeah, this is where I should have taken the trade. Let's see if the sellers will give us that red candle or they'll pull back enough for us to win. Okay. 6 seconds. Please don't jump up. That'll be nice. Don't jump up, please. I knew it. I knew it. We lost by just 3 points. That I knew it sometimes. When that gap up is about to happen like that. You understand? But no problem. We have an entry inside here. If price comes here, we'll go crazy in the markets. Use the entry. The reason why I went with the sellers one more time is because of the gap up on a round number. Anytime you have an entry and you have a gap up on a round number, it increases the probability of you actually having the sellers come in. You understand? No, I don't have a signal channel. I have a Telegram channel though. You know, the Telegram channel link is in the description. You can just click on it. It's in the description below. You understand? But we don't do signals. We don't do copy trade. You understand? We teach each other how to trade, but we don't do copy trade. So I will encourage you to learn, but I'm not going to encourage you to copy. This is a beautiful one. That was a beautiful trade right there. I'm waiting for price to come into this entry. We can take a very good trade here. Yes, guys, please let's go ahead and like the video. Yes, and if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We have a lot of, there's so much value on this channel right now. You understand? There's so much value on this channel. You know, this is premium level information you are getting here. The least you can do is to like the video. Thank you so much. Yes, just like the video. Yes, just double tap your screen into like automatically, so you don't need to stress looking around for where the looking around for where the so what's the benefit of providing the Telegram channel? It will give you quality information, this kind of information right now that you're getting. You understand? Normally, if I'm going to charge you for this, you're like, if I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be charging normally for it. So I'm giving you this free of charge. That's one benefit. And trust me, it's benefit that can make you money. If you're not lazy, you understand? If you're ready to learn on your own, yes. So it's a very, very, there's a whole lot of like bunch of benefits. You understand? And it's not like all those channels that will tell you to come and copy. You understand? You will still lose money with the copy at the end of the day. So I'm taking this trade. Let's have the pullback. Okay. I'm still going with with the sellers again. I'm expecting the sellers to come in. So the fact that they gave us a liquidity sweep does not mean the sellers will not come in. So wait for that. This is the sellers area. So I'm expecting them to come in. Or maybe I should have waited for margin of safety, but if we have a red candle, we don't have to worry about that. Okay, that's good. All right. That's a good one. All right, so let me quickly explain this trade right now. So over here right now, look at this. Look at this. We have this sellers area, but it's not just the sellers area, it's also a supply area. So we have sellers entry, sellers entry. Look at this. We are meant to have a sellers entry here. Yes, it's real analysis. Austin, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yes, I'm glad you're here too. Guys, please go ahead and like the video. Thank you so much for doing that. You understand? So we have the sellers here. We mark the sellers area. But you see, there's one more reason why we should go with the sellers. You see this round number here. It's 0.800004 zeros. And I've talked about round numbers. Round numbers act like support and resistance in the market. You understand? And you see this whole area is a price channel. Look at this. This is a full price goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Now it's meant to be going up right now until we get to the next this thing. But before we actually break this level, we need to pass through this supply area. So that's why we took this trade. Beautiful. You understand? The seller can still come in again, but I'm not going to take another trade because the buyers can actually go up right now because they've broken through the level. They can actually go to the upside. So this is a very beautiful trade. This is a very beautiful trade. Okay. For some reason, I think the timer resets. But no problem. Let's look for one more trade. Then we'll call it a day for this session. Now, the next session we're going to have is not going to be it's going to be later in the midnight. You understand? Because now work has started, so I need to like handle a lot of projects on ground right now. There's so much projects on ground, so I need to handle them. So I'm just taking this small time to quickly be with you guys. You understand? And I'm even tired already. But no problem, we'll be fine. But this looks like a red green pattern is about to happen. But I don't have enough reason to take this trade unless price comes down here and we go, we go with this. If price comes down here, we can go with buyers. We also have a demand area down here. You understand? So we can take this trade. But you know what? Let me check the market all the market that we've marked previously. Okay. Okay, cool. Check this one too. There's no opportunity here. Let me clear all this so that we can see clearly. Okay. There might be a decision point trade here. If price comes back to this level. See this area? If price comes down, there might be a decision point trade here. So if we go to lower time frame, we can search for entry in this area. Okay, look at it. We have the entry. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Peraria, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. You see, this is the entry. We'll mark this. So we'll mark this area. This is going to be our entry. Though I was hoping we'll see an entry above here, somewhere here. You understand? Or let me check S10. We may find another entry. Okay, fine. This is a clean entry right now. Right here. This is a clean entry. This is a clean entry. Okay, and we have a round number. Fine, that's good. If price comes there, we can take a good trade. And this is also going to be another entry, but I'm not sure of this entry down here as much as this one up here. This one up here is better than this one down here, but we will attempt this trade. Oh, come on, the payout amount is 73. Oh, no problem. Okay, I'm trying to see if we can take one more trade before I exit. Okay, if price comes to this entry, we can take a trade. I decided to go to M5 to extend that, because you see we have seller's entry on this trend line. If price comes up here, it's going to be another seller's entry, especially if we have a round number. That's going to be nice. Okay, this is very good. So now look at this. We have this market sequence of 2 green, 1 red, 2 green, red. So we have another 2 green. I'm hoping this second green candle can come up here so that the sellers can come in on above this round number. So if I have a gap up or any reason to take the trade, I'm going to go with the sellers. But if I don't, I'm going to wait for price to come here to take the trade. Though we have market sequence, but that market sequence is not enough reason for us to go with the sellers. Okay, we have a gap down. That's already against us. Well, if price comes up here, I'll take a rejection trade here, like a common point of rejection trade. No, let's go back. That's the reason why I always disable that Yama auto scroll thing. It's very annoying. Yes, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Please go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, thank you so much for doing that. I'm waiting for price to come here. We'll take the trade. La 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 la. La 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 la. So you can see now that market sequence wants to actually happen. You can see the market. I wanted to plan to take one risk like that, but I couldn't see where to actually take the trade. Okay, it's here. Let's take it. La 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 la. It's a very risky trade, guys. Don't try this at home. La 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 la. La 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 la. Somebody will wonder, like, what did he just do? So look at this. We're in an uptrend, and we have a demand area down here. So I was looking into this demand area to see if there's a lower time frame entry, but this one was too far, so I kept going down to see if there was one I could actually take advantage of. But you can see the entries, the real entries kept going down, so I kept going to see what I can do. Then I found this particular one, this overlapping level. I decided to this overlapping level here. You understand? That's this trade right here, but it's a very risky trade, guys. Don't try this at home. You understand? Don't try it at home. Thank you so much, guys. It's nice to have you here. We'll be back in about 10 hours by God's grace. So it's going to be around midnight here. But if you want to know when exactly we'll come live next, all you need to do is to join the Telegram channel. Okay. Yes, just join the Telegram channel. That's the best thing to do. Francis, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys are feeling great today. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video before you leave. Like this video. Thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.